I also want to point out, I think it's very much worth the effort to take the time to do this. One, who benefits from this? Well, obviously, the kids that we work with do, our students. Because if we know what we're doing and we have a coherent and reasonable program, they're going to progress as writers. We're going to help them become the best writers they can be. But we also benefit from this because we think out what we're going to do. We're not going to be stumbling as we walk through the year and walk through the classroom. We're likely to be more confident. We're likely to persist when things are challenging. And there's always going to be times when that happens as well. So how can we make this happen? So as I mentioned, there's no single path or best organizational path that I can describe to you. There are multiple paths. So what I'm going to share with you are some operating principles from getting from the starting point of having some kind of vague ideas of what you'd like to do to the point where you're able to articulate a plan. But I would like to share a couple of examples of structures by which we can move down these paths.